Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the VoiceOver speech voice on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, these are going to work the same. So, to change it, you want to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down, go to the accessibility. Here, the first option you're going to find is VoiceOver, so click that on, and then you want to go to the speech, the third option. And now the first one is going to be voice, so click on this one, and here you can select from different type of languages. So the English Australia, English India, English Ireland, and so on and so on. You can select from the different ones. Also, if you're using the phone in other language, for example, let's say Polish, because I'm from Poland, you're going to have here the Polish voices, not only the English ones like right now. So if you want to select the different one, now I do have a Siri, so let's say I want to have the Karen, for example. So let's click on the Karen, and now you can just play the sample of Karen. I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe I'm going to volume up a little bit, not so much.
Hello, my name is Karen. I am an Australian English voice.
So you can play some samples from the voices. As you can see, there are a lot of, like in India.
Hello, my name is Sangeeta. I am an Indian English voice.
As you can see, so if you want to select, let's say, I want to select maybe Matilda because I haven't downloaded it. So you just need to select the specific one, and once you have a tick next to the voice, you are going to have selected the Matilda. As you can see, I'm going to leave it with the Siri because that's the best for me. Oh, Siri, no, I don't want you. Sorry. So yeah, this is how you can select the speech voice on the VoiceOver on the iPhone. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!